Chief Imo worldwide. My
brother, they go wine. I go to school, we no see work. Any work na work. Even this one, why they do that? They pay. The way why they take direct this animal. They walk normally, they listen, they follow instructions. But a human being, I don't understand. So many of us human beings, these ones here are better than us. A lot of people are living like these ones here. Even these ones, you can say them go this way, they will go. Go that way, they will go. But us, to control human being now is as hard as ever. Before, I think we are legible and sensible. But these days, so many people have made themselves or turned themselves into animals. And that is the reason when people climb on us, they go beat us, they go flog us, they go bullet us, they go do this just to correct and direct us. Man, these ones are directors of themselves. For where? How am I using? Every madam kete, you put up about a garden is. A woman will want to bath in the house. You will tie towel inside the house, so cover up, enter bathing room, bath finish. You want to come out outside, give him up about. Isn't this one better than those people? My brother, this world has turned to something else. If somebody can stay in the house, wearing clothes, covering yourself because you don't want your sister to see you, or you don't want your brother to see you. Now, after bathing, you now come out clothes, enter road for the whole world to see your nakedness. Isn't it funny?
It's funny.
My brother, this world has really turned upside down. And that is the reason so many of us, we live the way we see life. I tell them the money, but I can never live like a fool. I can never live like an animal. I must still get sense because my mother gets sense. So many people where their mama gets sense, their papa gets sense, they throw away their senses. God forbid. This way. This way. This way in they go. They follow up. So that I don't want the phone now. So that I go this way. I think this way. Get in that way. Oh, you know why? Move it. Hey.
Ngwano.
Oh, Ngwano. How I go here with the say.
I go here with the
This is the hand where I bring this here. For use and follow. Move it.